Hello, we're back again on Starlight ReVolver on Effy, and we're gonna be doing my first ever run of Superstar, the hardest difficulty so far on Sacred Sky, the first map. Let's see how much I get destroyed from this, because what I've noticed from the new patch is things got a little bit easier because everyone got slightly stronger. So let's see how well this goes. Good old first stage. Come on. Oh wow, interesting. I did 1 damage for some reason. There we go. Gotta make sure I farm everything. Can't have stuff left alone. Higher strike after he swings forward, dealing physical damage, stunning. Charge briefly and release at a perfect moment, grants bonus damage. Heals health loss while charging. Sure. How much is this? 7.5 seconds? That's not bad. I'll place it on my mouse click. Let's go and grab another power. And let's see how well this goes. So this is the charging one. I think I remember using this. Oh, that's like awkward. Ooh, that was a pretty good timing. The range is a lot smaller than I thought. And also, oh, I can't Gamba. So sad. Learn a new power. Effy launches unstable firecracker that explodes. The damage firecracker increases by Nova. So this is magic damage, but I could still utilize Nova. So yeah. Let's try to. I do remember Firecracker. That is a charged, ranged attack kind of. So let's see how well this does. And let's grab 1 more power. I could save the I could save 1 more slot. So let's see where I'll go with this. Oh wow, that was so fast. Okay, that was a lot faster than I thought. Learn power. Whoa, Gatecrasher becomes vulnerable. Sprints around, pick up enemies. Her damage reduction effects are doubled for a duration afterwards. Yo, Pog. I got an epic now. Alright, let's get some Somnite. See if I can Gamba a little bit. And trying to get some investments early on. Yeah. Oh. Oh my goodness, that was super scary. Okay, I definitely have a lot of MP consumption, which could be bad. Alright. Now we can Gamba a reflective or wow. Alright. Let's continue on next word. Oh hey. Oh, I went to a 2-star area too. Or 2 danger area. And there's a shop too. Oh, I can try to get some early investments now. Almost close to 225, which is like a break point, honestly. Oh my goodness, I missed. I definitely don't do any damage, that's for sure. Alright, I shouldn't have tried. A little bit interesting though, I don't seem to get my mana back at the start of a new round, or start a new portal. That's definitely interesting. Ooh, that is the investment I do want. For the next 4 areas, knockback damage, Max mana. What is this? Gain magic attack for the remainder of the day when you cast power. Oh, that's pretty strong. I don't think I can afford that though. Nope. Yeah. I am more interested in the investments. Cast a power, your next power within 3 seconds deal damage. Ooh, that's pretty good. I want the longest cooldowns. Oh, I can't grab everything. I'm so sad. Oh, why are those so expensive? So crit chance, the longest cooldown gets reduced, or do I want more damage? It's actually really difficult for me to spam this, so I'd rather get the cooldown reduction. And yeah, I am completely broke now. Let's go for the two fight some knights. Okay, let's see where I can go with this. Oh wow. Huh, perfect clear. I didn't anticipate getting perfect clear. That was actually really scary. Ooh. A elite fight right now. For Kademas. Okay. What am I fighting against? Oh, it's these guys. Man, these guys are so annoying. Oh my goodness, I got hit by that. That's slightly annoying. Okay, Gatecrasher. Come on, wall slam. Keep wall slamming. Keep wall slamming. Oh my goodness, that did a lot of damage. Keep wall slamming. Oh wow, these guys are a lot easier to defeat now. That's kind of crazy. The fact that they actually I can actually destroy the their summons. Let's see, scaling, most damage per stack, perfect swing. Let's try Gatecrashers. So 25-second cooldown as well. Let's try to go to a charm. I somehow have a lot of money now. Let's try for a charm. See how well that goes. Also, my Geek Crash is like super ridiculously high at the moment. Ooh, wow, I can't believe I actually did not get hit there. Alright, let's go.
What? Over already?
Alright. Was that perfect clear? I can't tell anymore. There's no more fuel to tell. Well shielded. Equal to 1.5%? Sure. Oh, whoops. I did not mean to hit that button. Yeah, let's go for more powers. I don't need a feather or a crystal plume or a revive. So, I'm kind of a little bit annoyed that holy cow. Oh wow, they're a lot more vulnerable to getting stunned. That's very interesting. That is very, very interesting. They're super vulnerable to stuns. Okay, what power is there? And there's a shop there. Jet Flare, party don't stop, us to move. Shielding herself, gains damage out whenever she's shielded. Channels a burning laser that deals magic damage and applies blight. What? I guess I'll mix damage. I actually don't know what this does. Let's see if I can go ahead and get more investments. Oh my goodness. Still can't beat it. This is definitely a weird build right now. Alright. Let's see if I can grab all these goodies. And then check this one out. Until I'm down. Okay, not too bad. Equal to my Somnites. Dash cooldowns. Mana regen is not bad. Whenever you deal damage. Plus health heals. I'm buying you. I kind of want to buy this and this. Gain 15. Sure. Try to see if I can go into a more physical stance here. Let's try to get more Somnites. Get all the monies. Okay, yeah, there's no way I beat you, so I'm not gonna bother with you. Oh my goodness, that deals such a crazy amount of damage. Oh, you dodge, you monster. Oh, this is such a weird build. All my range attacks are magic damage based. Chance it. Silver Nuggy. Cool. Just, you know, that's meta currency, so that's not the worst. Alright, another charm. Let's see where this is gonna go. Oh, hey. That's a freebie slot. Nice. Kademas. Somnite. Heal 33% when you were in the area below 33. Dash cooldowns. For the fact this plus 18% max health is actually good enough for me to take. That's also a security insurance too, so that's also very nice. I wonder if I should be like, I don't know, not destroy everything. Maybe whenever I enter somewhere. I'm a little bit confused how everything works, to be honest. Oh wow.
Perfect run.
I wonder how well that jet flare really works. So far I haven't like taken any damage. That's kind of crazy. Ooh, 2-star Kademas. Gain magic attack. Next 5 area. Sure. Gain magic attack scaling for free. Basically for free. Let's go ahead and head in here. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Really? Boom! Oh my goodness. What's with everyone being here? There we go. Oh wait, there's still mobs here. That was a little bit scary. Kademas, I have 20. Very interesting. Attack scaling. I'll leave it alone for now. See if I want to upgrade anything later down the line. Hey, silver nuggies. And I finally took damage this run, so that's a little bit scary. Halfway through the game, I finally take damage. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to like defeat that. I definitely need is oh, what do I even need for this build? Like this build is super jank, not gonna lie. I mean, like strongest move is definitely the Gate Crasher, but there's still some stuff I need. After 15 seconds, I take more damage. Gain max mana, backstab steal more. For 5 seconds after dealing magic damage, deal +7, reduce or attacks when we deal physical damage. Sure. Oh wait, I'm getting money here? What? Every 5 seconds. That's not bad. Reduce resets each area. Reduce by -1% each time you deal damage. That's definitely interesting. So I definitely will pick you up and pick you up. I want the Cademas. Take the Cademas for now. Plus health. Oh. And crit chance. Sure. All damage. All the damage. Let's go. I'm pretty sure I lost all my investments, but yeah, let's see how this runs now. So much damage output now. Gate crashing, let's go! Holy cow. Oh my goodness. I did a lot of damage.
Over already.
Oh wow. That's kind of impressive that didn't take damage there, I think. Reduce all cooldowns whenever I crit. Oh how. Ambidextrous is so cool too. All stocks gain +1 stock. I don't have any stocks, but 20% crit chance. Now 39% crit chance, so that's pretty good. Alright, let's let's continue on then. Beat all enemies. Cool. I can't really combo well here, fortunately. Oh, come on, really? Okay. There we go. Oh, really? There's someone else here? Who's still here? Go at the Novas. Huh. I actually have a lot of magic or mana regen. So that's really nice. I can continuously keep this up. Alrighty. Gain shield equal to 5 plus 5% max health. Every shield receive shields decay. Gain for the remainder of the area every 6 times you deal damage. More crit damage. If I could grab shielding, that'd be great. But for now, I'm gonna grab you. I definitely would like to grab a new power. That would be fine. That would be a-okay. What's happening here? Oh my goodness, that was so scary. Oh wait, he crashing. Oh my goodness, I actually have enough crit chance to gain like max cooldown reduction? That's crazy. Would really like to get... Oh, I actually got hit by that. That's so annoying. Man, I'm getting tickled. I don't want to get tickled. 70 Somnies. Lots of Kademas. Don't stomp. Raises a barrier. So it's level 2. Stunning enemies around her. Gains damage amps whenever she is shielded. I don't mind replacing. Guess I will replace the High Striker. I kind of wish I could rearrange some stuff though. But I will definitely take a 2-star Kademas. Level up the Geek Crasher. Would be very nice. Ow. Ow. Huh, I do have like infinite shielding actually. That's very interesting. The cooldown reduction is actually crazy strong. The shielding though is not so great though. I would love to get like another attack. Oh, you're joking with me? I got hit because it doesn't dash through. I got scammed, man. I'm getting scammed. Oh, you're kidding me. Wow, that's a lot of damage. I'm gonna take the Som Knights. Let's see where this is gonna go. 39% crit chance. That's kind of nice. Oh my goodness, how did I get hit? That's not cool. Go, go, go! Kaboom! There we go. Not a perfect clear. Huh. I could definitely get a lot of shielding, though. Revive. I'm not too interested in revive. I am interested in getting more monies. I wonder if I want to try to get another skill. I kind of don't like the jet flare, which is the biggest problem at the moment. Holy cow. Oh my goodness, I deal so much damage for some reason. I deal so much damage. Kaboom! Perfect clear. The jet flare is just so difficult to use. I wouldn't mind getting the passive. The passive for the Nova Flare would be fine because the flourishing thing is actually kind of strong. Get 2 Som Knights. Get another power. I have quite a lot of money on me. And I would love to try to reroll. I am quite late into the run that it's a freebie. I could have gotten a 2 fight. Ooh. What's in here? High Striker. Swings. Charging briefly, releases perfect timing. Heals herself, becomes vulnerable for projectiles. Gains flat damage reduction and shielding. Ooh, the loose cannon. That's really good. I think I prefer... I like the shields too. Shield is nice. But I would rather have the loose cannon. A little bit more. 2-star charm versus 2-star power. I guess I'm kind of okay with what I have right now. Alright, let's see. Ow. Oh, gate crashing, gate crashing, gate crashing. Oh my goodness, that's like super. Ah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. What the heck, man? Ow. Oh my goodness, I am stuck. This is. I kind of dislike the small glitches that happens, or the small bugs that happens here. It's kind of ridiculous how I'm just taking damage for no reason. It's kind of ridiculous. Like literally, I'm spending like 3 dashes to go through a small wall that I dashed once into. That's not really fun, you know? Attack, steal, bonus damage into attack a star's area. I will take more physical damage. Yes. Alright, so the shop. Oh. Can I even beat you again? I wonder what happens if I stun it. Does that work? I actually don't know what happens if I stun it. Alright, get all the monies and then let's head here. Oh, whoops. That's not what I wanted. Okay, max mana. First hit. Heals bonus magic. Rapidly heal while below 25 HP. Oh, that's definitely interesting. Per mana? That's not bad. I'll take the damage reduction. Heal. Damage. So I'll take you. So I can... how many things can I even upgrade? Do I do a triple upgrade instead? Rapidly heal. Deal damage. Deal damage. Damage. Don't really need that. Damage reduction is not bad. Heal. Sure, I'll take the healing. Take the damage reduction. And my powers deal more damage. I didn't get to use my reroll token. So I can upgrade this once. That's a lot of scaling. Damage amp, max health scaling. Damage reduction. Oh, I could upgrade this. I could upgrade you and then you. So I can have a really, really strong gatekeeper. Yeah, I'm gonna take the really strong gatekeeper. Okay. On to the boss fight. Let's see how dangerous this is. First time doing the superstar fight. Oh my goodness. How long does my shield last? That's actually a good question. I don't know how long my shield lasts. It's kind of nice that I do get max Nova stacks. Oh, that's not good. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. Oh my goodness, that was so scary. I think I also misplaced myself. Oh. Okay, never mind. I thought I could, iframe through that, but, okay, I cannot. Wow, I took a lot of damage there, necessarily. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness, I actually beat you. Holy cow. I can't believe this this build worked. Oh my goodness, imagine I lost. That would have been so crazy. Oh right. Wow. I did not anticipate that I would actually beat that like like this. But yeah, wow. Gatecrasher was pretty good. Level 4. Did a lot of damage. Got really nothing too much to synergize here, except for the longest cooldown get reduced by 20%. I did get a lot of extra damage. This is physical damage. What else was there? Magic damage. Get physical damage for dueling magic damage, which Nova provides from Loose Cannon and Flaming Flourish. So I was actually a hybrid build. Get extra 60% crit damage, which reduced by 1% to damage. Well, this didn't really last too long, but I did have a good amount of mana regen. And then this one just gives a bunch of stats. A really good amount of stats. Cooldown is reduced by 0.3 seconds whenever I crit, so that is very nice. Actually, I have a 39% crit. If I move my stuff a tiny bit. There we go. 39% crit. 30%. What else did I even have? I had more magic damage for some reason. But 41 attack? Yeah. And then more physical damage, more physical. How do I have so, like, how is my magic attack so much more than my physical? What? That makes no sense. But yeah. That's actually very strong run right there. But yeah. With all that being said, then thank you for watching. Hopefully I get to see you all next time. Farewells. Oh yeah, also it's first time I beat Superstar on Sacred Sky, so that's super exciting. I'm a little bit more confident to do on the other characters in other realms. So with that being said, then farewells. Bye bye.